Drunk driver crashes, neighbors take action, bad drivers and driving fails learn how to drive. One thing about living where I live, so many cars. Like sometimes I wish I could just walk to where I need to go instead of having to, hop in a car to go down the block. Like I don't know, sometimes I just and I hate sitting in traffic. I don't know if I'm just the only one, but traffic is genuinely one of my biggest pet peeves in life and a hurdle I'm finna get over one of these days. But like, who likes sitting in traffic, bro? Like, all you gotta do is drive, and it's so crazy because whenever you driving, right, like the road is smooth. It just doesn't add up to me. The road is smooth unless somebody is crashing. Either way, like get moving. Like you literally are always moving when you are on the road, and somehow there is traffic. All your one goal is to keep moving, and somehow we in traffic. It don't make no sense. But bad driving fails. Oh yup. Not that's not that bad though. He ain't hit nobody. But yeah, his car is cooked. Ooh. What?
Oh, get away! Get away!
Ooh. The driver of the striking vehicle was arrested and charged with a DUI. Bro, I don't even know what happened. I was so quick. Never hop in a car again. Never step foot in a vehicle again. Damn, is the dog okay? Aurora, Colorado. A 13-year-old crashed a car into a home, injuring a woman inside, then fled the scene. Police say the teen is now facing criminal charges. I hope so. 13? He must be one of them Kia boys. See, that's what it's gonna get you, man. You're not getting nowhere, man. They ain't never gonna let you touch a license again. See, and that's why I want a motorcycle. Just so I could skip traffic, hit the white lines. I'm telling you, man. Especially in the summer.
Blowing money fast like a fucking cheetah. I've been in the trenches filled with high feelings. Who got a spot whipping that bitch?
Woman hits me and blames me. She was given a ticket, no injuries.
No, no mames, dude. Come on, dude.
It's so funny, like sometimes when people get hit knowing damn well they not injured, they'll hit you with the ah my arm, my leg, my knees, my back, my neck and my back. Like knowing damn well it was not all that. Trying to get that lawsuit money.
Okay.
Go in on up there, all right?
Did he
Thank
even
you.
did he
You
hit
said you
them?
can go.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Did he hit them though? Yo, what are you doing?
Go, that's why I understood you. You go, but everybody else gotta stop, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
All them excuses.
Okay.
Go in on up there, all right?
Thank you. So you said you can go.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. He totally
Hey.
wants me to go. What the f?
I'm an experienced driver with a law enforcement background. In this instance, the officer directed me to proceed and then retreated as I already had the right of way. And this is in New Orleans. I don't know, man. Bro was in the middle of the road. I don't know. I would think I could fit through that too. I'm not gonna lie to you. But bro got the lights on. Oh, hold on, hold on. He did put his hand outside the window though. That is true though. That's not a lie.
We thought you were
He
waving
did
at
tell
you to
him to
go.
come. That's not a lie.
He waved you to go. What the That was so awesome.
Nah, that dude's weird. And what is he doing? Standing in the middle of the road. What a bum. It's cool. This is super though. It's a super though. It's alright, bro. It's a super though. Oh yeah, license gone. CDL gone. Do you even need a CDL for a box truck? Probably. That's what I'm assuming.
Where did they take off to? I heard it and he just. I don't know who it was.
Ooh, cake. Filming
I
straight
just
cake.
heard the bang and.
Ooh. He must. Teen hit and run. Drunk driver gets neighborhood justice after crashing into a home. Bro, we crashing into houses and shit. Like, you gotta be careful, bro. Like, what is you doing? Gone. License gone. DUI. Everything. They hitting you with the whole 9 yard. Indeed. Indeed.
Got there, but when it switched, I didn't have a chance to stop. I'm very sorry.
Well, it was bright red.
I know. No, well, it was yellow, and I'm.
Yeah, that boy sleepy or something. Hey, no damage though. No damage. You gotta be careful. See, that's not gonna happen all the time though. Like, you gotta be careful. What? What is this dude doing? Boy, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm gonna keep driving. Oh, it is over for you. Probably. Nah, it's good he avoided that though and get hurt. That insurance getting you a new car with that one. See, like, all these cars on the road, bro. Damn. And he gonna keep driving, ain't he? Oh, no. Alright, that's good, that's good. There's a time I'm driving. I'm driving behind somebody. They driving mad slow, you know. So my next turn is a left, and you know I'm in a rush to go. I'm trying to go. I was in front of this person instead of in back. So I'm in front of this person. I'm driving casually, you feel me? I'm the one driving casually. But I'm not even driving slow though. Like, I'm driving like 50-50. We in a residential area, you know, like, I'm not gonna be Dom Toretto in that bitch, you know? And then I try to take a left turn. I guess I'm going too slow for bro. And as I'm making this left turn, he comes out of nowhere on my left side. I'm making a left turn. He comes on my left side, and I smack the back left of his car, back right side of his car. And you feel me? Since I was already in the middle of making this turn, like, my car was just happened to be going that way. And that person goes down the block, and they wait for like a second. Like, I'm checking my car, like, I got out, like, I'm trying to spin back, and the car leaves. Call the police. We can't find them. We don't know what it. I don't even remember what the car looked like. None of that. But probably at the time I gave them the best description I could. But they did not find that boy. Talking about there's no cameras, this, that, the third, and you feel me. Car cooked after that, man. It was still running, but bumper was cooked, shredded. Like, Dobby, My Hero Academia, jaw broke in front of my car broke. Like, oh yeah, what a genius. Explorer tried squeezing between a stopped in a parked car, didn't fit, hit a Mercedes, and ripped part of a Pontiac. Both drivers chased it. Outcome, bro, they caught his ass. I'm telling you, they definitely followed him. They caught that boy. Mercedes tries to cut me off. Damn. Mercedes tries to cut me off as her lane ends and almost hits my car.
30s. Dude, you dumb. I don't think so.
See, some people are so stubborn for like, like what is bro doing trying to squeeze right there? Like, you better get behind, bro. And it's crazy. But that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to keep driving. They hit you, it's over. Insurance and bill going up. Premiums is going up. My nose so itchy, bro. Damn. What even happened? Ooh. And that's how traffic starts. Look how they stopped in the middle of the road. Does that car even run? Like, you feel me? Like, I gotta go. I got somewhere I gotta be. Like, you could pull over to the side for a second. Like,
मेरी ही रचना है जिस सूर्य से दिन का प्रारंभ और जिस चंद्रमा से रात्रि का अंत होता है वह भी मेरी ही इच्छा से होती है और जिस चंद्रमा से रात्रि का अंत होता है वह भी मेरी ही इच्छा से होती है इस संपूर्ण ब्रह्मांड का बीज
bro, this happened to me. This something like this happened to me once too. It's so crazy because when you on the roads like that too, you only have one job and that's to drive straight. And somehow you strafe over it. Like, get him gone. Bro, he needs his license revoked, snatch, full 100 yard. Like, you're a bum. You have one job and that's to go straight, bro. Swerving and shit. Ooh. I really, and it's so crazy because I really hope he caught that dude, whether it was cameras or whatnot, because that's just bogus. There's no way I'm letting you go after that one, bro. The road rage is not worth it. Road rage ain't worth it, man. What's going on?
I don't know what you wanted me to do, man.
Damn, look at the sky, cloudy, beautiful, man.
Call 911.
What?
Calling emergency services.
Oh, wait, what? What happened, bro?
Uh,
Okay, bro gets in the way. Annoying. I feel it. That's mad annoying. I'm not gonna lie. Brake check thrice by this driver. I canceled the 911 call because this person stopped being threatening very quick. Okay, there could be more footage to this, but Brody, what are you talking about? 911 because they do cut you off twice. Like I feel it. Bro, I'm trying to get him gone too. That's he's doing mad weird maneuvers, not using turn signal. Did he ever threaten you though? Like what? Where is that footage? What?
Call 911.
Bro, you.
Calling emergency services.
I don't know though. Shoot. Jeez. Truck had one
Calling
job.
emergency services.
He probably had that one yellow light that be flashing. Oh, yep. Gone. Damn. Yup. Great video by RR and BD Driving School.